Okay, for the next part of my working with hair tutorial, I wanted to talk about working with Bezier curves. Now, if you have not already done so, I encourage you to grab a copy of Curve CAD, the Curve CAD plugin. And what this Curve CAD plugin will do is it will give you a few more options for working with your Bezier curves, or Nurb curves. In like every package has a different name for these things. I'm still accustomed to referring to these things as splines and vertices. It's a little confusing. Alright. Yeah. Preferences. In order to activate Curve CAD, you need to go into Preferences and Install, and it will be a zip file. Curve CAD Master. It'll be, say Curve CAD Master, it'll be that. And type in Curve CAD, and you'll be able to find it that way. Make sure it's checked. If it's not checked off, it's not going to work. And it should work now. Now we're ready to go. Now, add a Bezier object. I will demonstrate the different Bezier functions, such as subdivide, extrude, making a segment, and the different types of handles. This is my Bezier circle. It will represent the thickness of my hair clump. That's what we're going to be using to build the hair clumps, like Nurbs and Bezier circles, and things like that. So hair thickness. I'm going to add this to a collection. M for collection. Call it hair. I'll put that into another collection. Oops, wrong button. M, new collection, hair template. Put that hair template inside of hair. I'll put all my hair in there. Select your hair, your Bezier circle. Go to edit mode. And here you have, what are they called here? Control points? I think they're called, referred to as control points. Control points! You can move them and scale them and rotate them using the regular move and scale and rotate tools. Right clicking on them will give you a context menu. Why do I have that tool selected? Context menu. Remember that plugin I told you about? Here's the plugin, Bezier CAD. I'll get to that in a second. Subdivide will divide points, vertices along your curve. Extrude does not work well in this instance. Okay, I'll grab this guy. Control D to copy this so I can demonstrate the extrude. I'll grab the N, I'll press E to extrude. Extrude is also, I thought it was over here. Weird. Well, E to extrude, and you can make your spline grow. Making segments doesn't really do what you'd think it would do. What it basically does is it sort of joins two ends together, not welds, welds, joins. I will demonstrate. Two endpoints, make segment. Now, if you actually wanted to weld these 2 points together, what I ended up using is the AutoCAD plugin, the Bezier CAD, and going to merge ends, and that merges them together. It also changes the type of handles of tangents that you're working with. Has been set to free? I think it's been set to free, which is something else I wanted to talk about. The handle types. The default is automatic. You can also change it to vector. You can change it to aligned. That's another default, actually. Are these guys aligned? Yeah, these guys are aligned. Where are these guys? These guys are aligned too. Huh. I wonder what red and orange means. As you can see, all the different types have different colors. and they also have like different behaviors. The ones you'll probably be using most frequently, the ones I use most frequently, would be like either free or aligned, and the toggle for that is B. Okay, don't need this guy anymore. Vertices. Now it's important to understand how to use those tools, because you're going to be needing them when you're building your hair clumps and positioning your hair clumps on your character's head. Now I will use those tools to modify this guy into something more. I'm going to modify the thickness until it's something more hair-like. What I'm doing right now is I am using Shift D to copy different segments and have them like floating Bezier curves, floating from the rest of the body of the hair, the thickness of the hair. This will help to simulate the appearance of random hair strands. Now that you have a circle curve thing similar to this, we need a Nurb path. It specifically needs to be a nerve path, otherwise it might not. Like, it'll work, it just won't, it'll look weird. So make sure it's a nerve path. Otherwise it'll look weird and it'll behave in a strange fashion. A Nurb path. Add curve, Nurbs path. Nurbs path. Now go over to your object data properties and scroll down to bevel, select your eyedropper, and select hair thickness Bezier circle curve. And you should get something that looks something like this. Hair length. Let's rename that so it's easier to understand. Hair length, Nurbs curve. At this juncture, you can now refine the hair clumps to be more hair clumpish. Now modify the radius of your hair clumps with the radius button found on the side here. This is the radius button. Make sure you're selecting the right thing. I want to select the end. And the shortcut is Alt S. Or you can just hit the radial button. Now if it wasn't like the Nurbs curve, you would get like some really crazy results if you did this. So you gotta make sure it's a Nurbs curve. Alt S. Okay. Looking good. So, that's all for now. Until next time. Like next time I want to like talk about like adding hair to the head. If you are new here to WRNotes, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like. And until next time, stay creative, have fun, and good luck out there, because I know it can be rough.